Hello everyone. We will understand how hard it can be to make slime, and yes, I've failed myself sometimes. So this week I'm going to show you how I make slime, and hopefully it can help you guys out. I'm going to show you some slime that I made last week on our Instagram live stream. If you haven't checked that out, it's just at Gadget, and we do live streams every week, Friday or Sunday, and you guys can take part to win in our giveaways. But here you go, let me show you the slime. It was quite a lot of slime, so I've had to put it in a pretty big container, but I haven't seen it myself yet, so here we go. Oh wow. This one here I made using borax for the first time ever. I've never used borax before, and now I'm so excited to see how it feels. Oh, that is amazing. I've taken the camera a bit closer so you can hear the noise it makes. Just listen to this. And now I'm going to show you how to make some amazing slime. The different ingredients you will need to use are glue, contact lens solution with boric acid inside it, or you can use Eyewash, and if you want to make some fluffy slime, shaving foam. You can use different types of shaving foams. You can use the shaving foam to give the slime a nice scent. So this one's got a bit of a lime lemony scent to it, so hopefully the slime should come out smelling nice. And obviously you can use a colouring and a colouring of your choice. And one more thing you will need is a bowl and a spoon, obviously, to mix. The first ingredient we'll use today is glue, and obviously make sure you've got a bowl there, otherwise you'll have a big mess to clean up. I bought a 5-litre bottle online just because it's a lot cheaper than buying loads and loads of small bottles, and it's really good quality glue. So you want to add just a little bit, not too much, but don't forget that glue is the main ingredient, so the more glue you add, the more slime you get. Next you want to add some of the shaving foam. So the more shaving foam you add, the fluffier the slime gets. So I'm just going to add quite a bit of that, because who doesn't like fluffy slime? I'd recommend adding the shaving foam on a 1:1 scale. Same amount of shaving foam you add will be the same amount of glue that you put in the bowl, and we'll give that a little mix. After you've mixed it, you should have now a thick paste that smells nice, depending on what shaving foam you've used. And then you want to add a little bit of colour to that. So I'm just going to add a few drops of this. Usually the colours are a lot stronger. For some reason the colour I bought isn't very strong, but I'm going to add about 8 drops to that. Okay, now next is the most important part. So now you want to be adding the activator. So in this case I've used Optrex's Eyewash, and I'd recommend this because it's a lot cheaper than the contact lens solution and it does a good job. Also, you want to add this slowly, drop by drop. So I would recommend using a spoon, but I'm just going to drip it in and then start mixing. Sometimes you may notice that the slime takes very long to become slimy, or the activator takes a long time to start making it go slimy. You have to be patient and just keep mixing. If you add too much activator, it can spoil your slime and you'll have to start again. So be patient and let's make some good slime. You'll come to this stage where you're trying to mix, but it's too difficult to mix because the slime has become really thick now, as you can see there. This is when you're going to have to take it out of this bowl and start mixing it with your hands. So I would recommend putting a tray down of some sort or a mat so you don't get the table dirty, although it should be fine on this table. Now time to get our fingers dirty. You can see now the slime has finally taken shape and we finally have some slime now. At this point you can add pretty much anything you want to the slime to make it unique, make it special. I got some leaves from the garden because I haven't actually seen anyone put leaves in their slime before, and I thought it'd be interesting, so let's see how this turns out. What do you think of our pink slime here? Comment below if you think the leaves made it better or if they spoiled it. And what would you name this slime? Because as you guys may know, I'm not very good with names. So it would be very, very helpful if you guys could come up with an amazing name for this slime with leaves in it. What would you do differently? Comment below, and if you guys need any help, let me know in the comments below. I hope this tutorial does help you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. Hopefully we will be making a jumbo slime in our next video. So I will see you guys later. And with that said, goodbye.